IAG, what's been going on? Yeah, a bit of an elliptical through there, a sort of W of sorts, descending kind of thing at the tail end there. Let's see, that's the hourly. So going back daily, yeah, hit bouncing down, suppressed, certainly under. So the first rally out back in March 2021, the Falls rally after that, long drop. Absolutely shit the bed there from March 2021. Okay, still that Fool's Rally still hasn't broken up above there. Wants to get above there, I think, really. But people are revising their targets, aren't they? I wonder what the revised targets are. Is it 3 something or 2 something? Um, yeah, so basically, key level at the moment is that yellow line is at that sort of 225 level, currently sort of in and around that blue box area there. Hence the market being a bit sideways-ish, undeterminate, iffy, squiffy. Yeah, yeah. Obviously, since from August up till late September, brilliant run up there, fantastic run up there, great percentages to be had, and of course it got overbought across the higher time frame, certainly. And of course, do a big short, which we've certainly had. Now, let's go back down, work our way down through the dailies. Okay, into the daily. I don't know what that big old scam wick's all about. Imagine that took some take profits if that appeared on those people's online exchanges. That would have been quite nice for them. I don't know. Yeah, again, got that pullback, trying to challenge marginally higher high. Got a higher low potentially there. Just very sideways, very lateral, all sorts of chippy choppy stuff from that point round about there, isn't it? We regained that high mid October, 4 hourly. Just a bit of pullback, kind of holding that supportish area there, I dare say. Right, where's the fibs? Let's get some fibs on there. Off there. That had come down to that level. Okay. I know you've had that big ass correction. So where is the new fibs then? And does that change everything, or do we sort of still adhere to that? So it's holding up on the tested and got beneath that 236. Okay, so RSI 4 hourly, possibly the daily as well. Right, daily. Yeah, there we go. RSI higher high. So he's still got there's still bearish divergence in there. RSI massive high there and a lower high. Declining, which obviously indicates declining strength. Definitely not out of the woods yet. Still trying to push upwards and outwards, meeting with firm resistance and a narrow range. Holding up on that local fibs just. Still a case for short. Still a case for short. Okay. What have you got here? But you've got that high low there, high lows and all sorts of things. It's still indeterminate. It's still above the moving averages. The moving averages, not even the 50-day moving average, has caught up yet, and certainly not the 100, 200-day moving average. The triple moving average might tell a different story. No, goodness me, yeah, it's come down to the 20-day. Looks like getting some sort of crossover in the daily there, in that daily one. sort of holding up on there. Is it deciding it's neither doing this nor that? It's alright, it's so and so, isn't it? 4 hourly. So if that does cross over, might be looking to lower levels. 4 hourly, okay. Testing up on the, what was that? Yeah, 55-day moving average. Testing it, holding it there. 100-day in that. Responded well in the 4 hourlies. Price responded well off the 50-day moving average. It's done that twice so far. So the previous two immediate lows have responded fairly well at the 50-day moving average. What does it do on the 100-day? On the exponential moving average, holding well on the 55, responding well off that. Good support. But we do there is a crossover in that, developing in that 4 hour. Again, what are we dealing with there? Still got that bearish divergence there. Lower high on the RSI, higher high, marginally, a bit of a higher high there on the price movement. Bearish divergence. Somewhat for crossover, indeterminate. It's wobbling and wavering. It's crossed back up, crossed over, got indeterminate, crossed back up again there on the 4 hourly exponential moving average. Hourly. It's getting a rejection off here. A couple of rejections off sort of higher price movement. Across the top. Yeah. Failing to make that previous high at the moment. They've gone to lunch. I guess they're going for 11s and going to lunch now. So there's usually sort of a market reaction to people going off to lunch. See what happens. Is that going to make that high? You're going to get a rejection. Potential shorting now. You have to look in the lower. Yeah, long wicks up there. Again, higher price in the 15-minute. Very local stuff. High highs on the price. RSI, lower highs. Again, somewhat overbought there in the 15-minute. For just pulling back, cooling down, and it's trying it again, which is near that sort of local trend line. Just going across the top there, so might be seeing a rejection. Obviously, there was that hasn't made the previous high, has been beaten, it hasn't even achieved the high there. At the moment, for now, holding on the on that moving average, the 10-day, and might just see a gentle pullback off there. Let's have a look. What have you got? Breaks down that level, probably just looking, maybe test a 55, test on there. If not, then we shall see. What's the percentage like on there? Okay, 0.91. I might put a short on that and on a CFD contract, and then see what happens. Got a narrow range there. Might just stop loss might work. See where you put the stop losses, etc. Right, that's for me. Yeah, that's it. So it's not a big move. There. Different price targets. If it does break low, beneath that we got those there. Could take up to 3%. Even lower. Who knows? What's that? Fibs level there, the 38. Okay, so yeah, banging in a short. Possibly extend that, maybe let it breathe. See what's up. Hold that. Maybe it might get a spike up after lunch, won't it? Hold that level. And still, with all that bearish stuff going on, still the potential come down, retest them, some of them lower levels. Very speculative, isn't it? What's the risk to reward ratio on that? It's not. It's very tight. Should I put a short on there? No. Not at the moment. Not at the moment. Unless it's down to the 1272. Now that would be a bit better, wouldn't it? Needs some back testing to be done on that, doesn't there? So, who knows? Right, that needs back testing like anything, doesn't it? Right, that's it.